How to install Galaxy S20 Live Wallpapers on your Xiaomi device running MIUI 11 without having to root your device. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hey peeps, what's up? Manji here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Galaxy S20 Live Wallpapers on your Xiaomi device running MIUI 11 without having to root your device. As you can see, I do have the Poco F1 running MIUI 11 based on Android 10. However, this process should work on devices which are running MIUI 11 based on Android Pie as well. What are the prerequisites for this video? The prerequisite for this video is that you have to download a zip file which is linked in the description of the video, and the name of the file is Galaxy S20 Live Wallpapers.zip. Once you have downloaded the file, all you need to do is open the file manager from MIUI 11 and then tap on the file. It will ask you to extract the files to. Just tap on extract files to. Make sure that the SD card folder is selected. If you want it in any specific folder, you can do that as well. I will just tap on extract, and there it is. It said finished extracting, and we have a new folder called Galaxy S20 Live Wallpapers. Inside this we have two files. One is video black and the other is video underscore white dot mp4. These are our two live wallpapers from the Galaxy S20. How do you set them? All you need to do is open the gallery application and then wait for the videos to show up. So you can go into albums, go into recent, and these are my two wallpapers, right? So I will tap on the first one, and then you can click on the three dot menu on the bottom right and select set video wallpaper. Click on apply, set both, and this will set the live wallpaper on the home screen and on the lock screen as well, working like a boss. We can unlock our device, go back into gallery, go back one more time, select the second wallpaper. Again the same process, three dot menu on the bottom right, set video wallpaper, apply, set as both, and configured successfully, working on the home screen and working on the lock screen as well. Once you have set them up, to change them, all you need to do is go into settings, and then you can go into themes, my page, go into wallpapers, my live wallpapers, and you will have the two wallpapers show up over here. So this is the first one, just click on apply, it will change it, and this is the second video wallpaper which we had just added. So there it is peeps, that is how you install Samsung Galaxy S20 live wallpapers on your Xiaomi device running MIUI 11 without having to root it. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.